This is Rosie and today I'm going to make the tutorial how to make green bean plant. And here's all the stuff that we need. We need a glass of water. Yeah, put it in here. And a bowl for the green beans and cotton for the green bean plants too. After we dip this into water and we have to put it in here. Okay, so let's get started. First, we have to get 1 or 2 cotton. Maybe 2 because it will be like this. Let's dip it. Put it in here. Let's put it the other one. Okay, let's put it in here. And now I'm gonna open this.
Oh, banyakin.
We have to put it a lot because the bowl is big. It's gonna be all wet. And maybe 2 more.
Susunya rapi dong.
Jelly cookie that I make it before. Make sure to check it. The last one. Look at this. This is so clean.
Kita ada 2.
Look at this, guys. Yes.
Itu nggak kurang tebal, jadi harus 2 aja kan ininya nih. 2 1.
Okay. Okay, guys, look at this. Look into the water. Ooh, and when we pick it, it's like a jelly. Maybe 3 more. What is this? I don't know what it is. Okay, this is the one or 3. The last 2 cottons. Here. Open this. How do I open it? Oh, I can't. My nails! It's broken! Oh no, my nails. I'm gonna put it in here. My nails is broken. Okay. Do we have to put it a lot?
Only 10 or 20.
I'm gonna put it 10.
Maybe this 5 or 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spread.
5. And remember, if you guys have a plant, you have to care about it. You have to give it some water have a lot because for oxygen or oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more. Yeah, all done. And I'm gonna rest and I'm gonna save the rest for other video that we can make.
Wait until 3 or 4 days.
Wait until 3, 4, or 5 days. It will
Grow.
grow up and it will be and the plants and the beans will be have a leaf and gonna be so tall. If it already get tall,